Hey, it's Jenny here from Killer Ink, and today we're going to look at Dragonhawk's Masked Racer wireless tattoo pen. This super compact rotary machine is forward-weighted, thanks to the brand's ingenious idea to locate the battery within the machine grip itself. Ready to take a closer look? This stubby tattoo machine is only 10 centimeters long, which might feel a bit strange at first, but with a very low center of gravity, no cables to pull it back, and massively reduced vibration, it's comfortable to work with. The battery itself provides between 4 and 12 volts of power to the brushless direct drive motor. It's more than capable of pushing any size cartridge thanks to the kickstart feature, and comes with a fixed 4mm stroke that's perfect for lining and color packing. You'll get around 5 to 6 hours of battery life from an hour-and-a-half charge on the included battery dock. This neat little dock is puck-shaped, fits perfectly onto your battery, and charges via the USB-C cable that comes included. You can keep track of your battery level while it's charging, with LEDs that indicate battery percentage in 20% increments. Or charge the battery while it's attached to the machine instead. The machine's circuit board is equipped with short circuit protection, overcharge and over-discharge protection, all of which will help to safeguard your machine while it charges. Removing the battery from the machine is a little more complicated than with your traditional pen style machines, but with indicators to help you line up your connections, it's still simple enough to not cause any headaches. In order to get the battery into the grip, Dragonhawk has placed the brushless motor above it, with the drive bar going straight through the middle of the battery itself. With improved energy efficiency, upgraded heat dissipation, and a smaller overall size, this motor, which is powered by M-Core technology, as are most of the company's machines, easily pushes that 4mm stroke. All the buttons you'll need to manage your machine are placed on the very top above the motor. Framing a clear screen are 3 rubber buttons. One circular power button, which turns the machine on and off with a single click and activates jumpstart mode with a double click, and plus and minus buttons for adjustment of the voltage in 0.1 volt increments. The screen shows your current voltage and battery power levels as standard. When the machine is running, it displays a pedal symbol, and when jumpstart mode is activated, you'll also see a lightning bolt symbol on the screen. The Masked Racer's grip is a comfortable 33mm diameter. The machine itself weighs just 149 grams, and it is fully compatible with universal Cheyenne-type cartridges. So, now we've had a look at the Dragonhawk Masked Racer, what do you think of this innovative pen-style machine? Are you eager to try it out? Let us know in the comments below, hit that like button like there's no tomorrow, and never miss a video by subscribing to our YouTube channel.